Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today we are going to take Death of Partner chapter 5 12th standard. First illustration explanation I have given in my last video. So let's get started. Balance sheet of Rekha, Menka, Mukta was as follows. Partner share profit and losses 2:1:1 and here is the liability and asset side given of balance sheet. So quickly we'll move towards the adjustments. Okay. So that we can put star mark in front of the assets and liability, so that while solving it will be easy for us. Plant and machinery was to be Mukta died on 1st July 2019. Plant and machinery was to be revalued to rupees 70,000, means adjustment is there on plant and machinery, and RDD is to be created of rupees 2,000. It means plant and machinery and debtors. So over here plant and machinery will put a star mark and debtors will put a star mark. Then drawings of Mukta up to the date of her death amounted to rupees 10,000. Then charge interest on drawing rupees 1,000. Then her share of goodwill should be calculated at the 3-year purchase of the profits for the last 4 years, which were 1 year. First year was 1,50,000, second year 1,30,000, third year 70,000, and fourth year 50,000. The deceased partner's share of profit up to the date of death to be calculated on the basis of average profit of last 2 years, that 3 and 4 years. Okay, third and fourth year. So let's get started. We'll go over here and start posting all the liability and asset side, and I have prepared these accounts. See, profit and loss adjustment account, which they have asked, partners capital account, Rekha, Menka, Mukta, and balance sheet I have made, and here we'll be doing working note. Okay, so liability capital account, it is just same alike retirement of partner. Okay, only some we have to, only death is happening over here, and over there retirement is there. So Rekha, Menka and Mukta capital, so it will go in partners. Over here by balance brought down. Okay, Rekha's capital is 60,000, then Menka 70,000 and Mukta 34,000. Okay, next creditors 18,000, no adjustment is there, so it will go in the liability side of balance sheet. Creditors, how much is the amount? 18,000. Next, bills payable, no adjustment is there, again it will go over here. Bills payable, outer column 2,000. Next, general reserve, same way we are going to distribute this 16,000 in the ratio 2:1:1. So it will go in the partners capital account by general I'll write in short. Okay, so that space is there, and we'll distribute in the ratio 2:1:1. So your answer we get as 8,000, 4,000 and 4,000. Okay, you will have to calculate this. You can see in my last videos how the calculation is done. What we'll do, see, orally I'll tell you, 16,000 will multiply it by 2 and divided by 2 plus 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 4. So we'll get share of one partner. Then we want share of second partner. So same way, 16,000 into 1 and divided by 4. We'll have to do add all this. So we'll get 4. Okay. So that way we'll calculate general reserve. Now we'll shift towards assets. Bank 60,000. So bank will go over here. Bank, how much? 60,000, 60. Okay. So suppose if there would be any calculation further, so we'll write it in bracket and leave. Okay. Next, plant and machinery 60,000. Plant and machinery, star mark we have put, it means adjustment is there. So 60,000 will write in the inner side, 60,000, and we'll leave one line. Okay. Next, debtors 50,000. How much debtors? 5050. Next, furniture 30,000, no adjustment is there, so we'll write in the outer side. Furniture is 30,000. Okay. So I have done all the posting of assets and liability. Now let's move towards adjustment. Mukta died on 1st July 2019. Okay. Then plant and machinery was revalued at 70,000. So plant and machinery, outer column 70. It means it is appreciated plus by how much? 10,000. Now this will go over here, credit side, by plant and machinery 10,000 appreciated. Okay, that's why profit and loss adjustment side, credit side will write. Then RED is to be created 2000. Less RDD 2000, we get 48,000 outer side. Okay, this RDD will go in the debit side of profit and loss adjustment to RDD. How much? It is 2000. Then the drawing of Mukta up to the date of her death amounted to 10,000. Two drawings in, sorry, not here, capital account, two drawings of Mukta. So Mukta will write 10,000. Now drawings is done, it means obviously some cash he must have taken. So that's gone from our bank. So we'll minus 10,000 over here. Okay, so we'll get 50,000 in the outer column. Then the drawing of then charge interest on drawing rupees 1,000. capital account will write on the partner's capital account will write to interest on drawings. Okay, how much? It's 1000. Now this 1000 we are going to minus it from profit and loss suspense account. So here already we'll write profit and loss So what we'll do, we'll keep some space over here so that some calculation will be doing, and we'll minus, just we'll write and keep how much is the interest, 1000. Okay, so 1000. Okay, next, her share of goodwill should be calculated at 3 years purchase of the profit for the last 4 years, which were this much. Okay, so they have said we have to calculate goodwill on the calculate for at the 3 years purchases. So what we are going to do, we'll go in the working note, we'll write here working note of goodwill. Okay, total profit of 4 years. So if when we calculate, see whatever the amount they have given over here, na, they say this 1,50,000, 1,30,000, 70,000, 50,000, we are going to add these all. So we'll be writing over here how much it was, just a second, 1 lakh, it was 1,15,000, just a second, is it 1,50,000? Yes, it's 1,50,000, 1,50,000 plus 1,30,000 plus 70,000 plus 50,000. Okay, so the total we get is 4 lakh. Now we are going to calculate average profit. So that comes 4 lakh divided by 4. So you will get rupees 1 lakh. Now goodwill is equals to average profit multiplied by number of purchases. Okay, that means 1 lakh multiplied by how much? 3 years they have said. So that gives 3 lakh. Now, so Mukta's goodwill share we have to calculate. So Mukta's share in goodwill equal to 3 lakh multiplied by 1 divided by 4, that gives rupees 75,000. Now this this goodwill we are this amount we are going to transfer it over here. Okay, partners capital account by goodwill in Mukta's. Where is Mukta? Mukta is here. Okay, rupees 75,000. And other effect of this goodwill is going to be in assets. Goodwill. Next, the deceased partner share of profit up to the due of death to be calculated on the basis of average profit of last 2 years, 3 and 4 year. So let's go again in working note, and here we'll be writing calculation of share of profit. Okay, so profit of current year is equal to average of profit of last 2 years, they have said. Average of profit of last 2 years. So that gives 70. Last 2 years is 70,000 plus 50,000 divided by 2. So that gives 1,20,000 divided by 2. So you get rupees 60,000. Now profit of or proportionate period from 1st April 2019 to 1st July 2019. Now this was the time when he actually died. Okay, so that duration we'll have to calculate amount. So 60,000 multiplied by 3 divided by 12, that gives rupees 15,000. Hence Mukta share in proportionate profit is equals to, now her share will calculate 15,000 into 1 divided by 4. So we get amount as 3,000 rupees 3,750. Now this 3,750 will transfer it in over here, profit and loss capital account as by profit and loss suspense account. Okay, that is, well, I'll write it in short, okay, because I'm not able to adjust space. So we'll get 3,750. Now this 750 we are going to transfer it over here. See, we had left space, isn't it? So here it will be coming 3,750. When we calculate this, we get 2,750. Okay, now next let us see. The deceased partner's share of profit up to the date of death to be calculated on the basis of average profit of last 2 years. Okay, so that's done. Now what we are going to do, we'll close this. Okay, profit and loss adjustment account. So we get 10,000 over here. 10,000 will write over here, and balance we get it as 10,000 minus 2,000, 8,000, and this amount will distribute among all the partners to profit. Okay, and in bracket we'll write transfer to partners capital account. So otherwise I'll write to partners capital account. Okay, directly to partners capital account profit. So here partner's name Rekha, then Menka and Mukta. So we'll distribute it between their ratio. Ratio is what? 2:1. It will be over here. See, 2:1:1. So we get as 4,000, 2,000 and 2,000. Now this amount we are going to transfer it in here, partners capital account. Okay, by profit and loss adjustment. Account 4,000, 2,000 and 2,000. Okay, now we will be closing the partner who is died. Okay, so Mukta is gone, so we get balance as 1,18,750, 1,18,750, and difference we get will be putting it over here. So difference comes as 1,07,750, and this amount will give it to his executor. Okay, as we had discussed it in theory part. Mukta executor, EX loan account. Okay, now this amount will be transferring it in the liability side. Mukta's representatives if you want you can write executors also, and the amount 1,07,750. okay, now we'll be closing this partners account. So I think this has become too big. I'll write it in short, okay, so that the boxes we get is proper. Okay, now we are going to close the rest of the partners account. So space is not there, I'll write it over here. Okay, here we had got 1,18,750. here also I'll write, it's gone down now, that's why. Okay, 18,750. okay, now this 76,000, here also we'll put 76,000, greater amount, and here I'll be writing 76,000, and this will go where? To balance, carry it down. Here I get 72,000. okay, here also I'll be writing 72,000, here balance I'll get 72,000. now this same way as we used to do in retirement, that style only we have to do. We're transferring it over here, liability side, capital accounts, okay, of Rekha and 72,000 and 76,000. okay, if you want you can copy this. Now let us see whether our balance sheet tallies or not. okay, so the amount which we get is 2,75,750, and here also when we calculate we get 2,75,750. it means successfully our balance sheet has been tallied, and yes, we have done it. So I hope you have liked this video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. How was the video? Do tell down in comment. Do share it with your friends, and have a good day. Soon I'll be back with another awesome video. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe.